Hey traders, it's Danielle. Welcome to the free video. So last week on the free video, I talked about the potential short squeeze in AMD on earnings. Now, we didn't actually get the short squeeze after the earnings report. As you can see, the earnings report was positive, 18 cents. That's great and all, but it wasn't enough to send the stock price through the previous high and cause the short squeeze. So right after that, you basically traded up, retested around the highs, not quite there, but then something happened. The last two trading sessions, we were able to breach the previous high that came in at about, 35.55. And so yesterday, it was close. And I was thinking, well, not yesterday, on Friday. On Friday, it was close. And I was thinking, should I get into something here? Should I not? But because AMD kind of has a tendency to retest the highs and then trade lower, I thought, well, I'm just going to wait until we make the high. So that's what I did. So then today I ended up getting into this as we were breaching the high. We're closing up about 4% on the day, which is great for a short squeeze, because when you have high short interest like AMD has about 13% high short interest, you have a bunch of people that are short. And so when it closes up on the highs of the day, then it causes them to start covering, and that's especially true overnight and then tomorrow morning. So I went ahead and added a bunch of long calls on AMD, and I'm looking to ride this momentum until the short squeeze fades. Now, the problem with the short squeeze is you don't ever really know where it's going to fade. You don't ever know when it's going to fade. You can use your extension targets. They're going to come in at $37.78 all the way up to $40. But, some of them are going to last longer than others. So, for example, with Tesla, you really just had a 2-3 day move. And then you can see the sellers coming in, or profit takers, whichever one it is. And then it faded. So with AMD, I don't know where this is going to end. If it keeps, really chugging along tomorrow, maybe I would add some more for a day trade. I don't know. But you just got to watch it. Watch for this momentum. You want to watch for a break of the low of the high bar on a 30-minute chart, which so far, we haven't gotten anywhere close to getting that. So anyways, I know this is a little bit different because it's not really a new trade idea, but I did want to follow up on the trade idea that I posted last week and show just kind of how it's playing out. And potentially, if this does just skyrocket tomorrow, it might be good for a day trade. All right. Well, I wanted to also let you know that I am having a webinar tonight with my friend Sean from the NASDAQ. It is going to be on November 4th, which is today at 7 p.m. And we're going to be talking about using NASDAQ products to hedge. So that's why he's coming in from the NASDAQ. This is a purely educational webinar. We're going to be talking about how to use the NDX, NQX, and QQQs, along with timing some potential downside moves. So make sure you sign up. See you there. And then we will be walking through different points in time to hedge, which, by the way, I think right now is one of those great times because we're very overbought or extended, and we have a low VIX and low put call ratio. So beyond that, I hope to see you there. And if I don't, I'll see you tomorrow in the trading room.